Good day everyone! Today we are going to talk about Rene Descartes and his ideas about the self. Rene Descartes was born on March 31, 1596 in France. Ang mga Descartes na clan belongs to what we called as the bourgeoisie family in France, or in layman's term pa, ginatawag na siya nga middle class family. Kay most sa mga Descartes ila ang mga kaparentihan, mga ninuno, and mga parts sa ila ang family members are mga lawyers and doctors, munang nabilong sila sa middle class na family. Pagkamatay sa AMS ni RD, mga pila lang kabulan gikan siya gianak, gihatod dayon siya sa ila ang papa together with his two siblings sa iya ang lola. Dayon dito na dayon siya nagdako sa iyang mama nga side nga lola. Wala kayo details si RD no bahin sa iyang childhood except sa nailhan siya nga huyangon o masakiton. Nabansagan si Descartes as the father of modern Western philosophy tungod kay iyang gi-emphasize ang reason o empirical evidence ang gamiton para masabtan ang isa ka butang or panghitabo. Kung moingon ganit ang empirical evidence, this means nga you are gathering information through observation or experimentation para matubag nimo ang mga different questions on a certain phenomenon. Gipropose ni Descartes nga ang doubt daw kay usa ka key tool for a disciplined inquiry pinaagi sa hyperbolical or metaphysical doubt, or what we call as methodological skepticism. Meaning, you are systematically doubting one's belief to determine which can be confirmed as true or tinuod. Usa sa mga famous line ni RD is the cogito ergo sum, or I think therefore I am. Pasabot, the mere fact that I am thinking, regardless pa ng tinuod or dili ang akong yuna-una, it only implies that there is this certain entity that do or does the doubting process, which is the I. Naay nagkalain-lain na claim si RD mahitungod sa self. Una, ang self daw is constant. Dili pud siya prone sa pagkausab or to change. And the self is not affected by time. Bisan pa og pila ka tuig ang molabay, ang ato daw kunong self according to RD will never ever change. Kaduha, only the immaterial soul will remains the same all throughout time. And lastly, ang immaterial soul is the source of our identity according to Rene Descartes. Niingon pa gani gyud sa Rene Descartes nga kaning thinking entity could really exist without the body because it is an immaterial substance. Nevertheless, ang kaning immaterial substance, or gireferred ni RD as the self, possesses a body, kani atong lawas. It is intimately bound or joined together, that the self forms a union or panaghiusa ani nga lawas. Bisan pa nga niingon si Rene Descartes that there is this what we call as body and soul union, iya gyud pong gi-emphasize nga ang soul is distinct or lahi gihapon sa lawas. So unsa may mga distinction between the body and the soul? The soul, according to Rene Descartes, is a thinking substance and is not affected by time, while ang body, of course, it will change throughout time. Kay itan po nimo magkatigulang man jud pod ang lawas, no? Tungod kay material nga substance ang body. Next, the soul is known only to itself. Kay walay mas laing kaila o kabalo sa imong gibati or your own mental event rather than yourself. Other people cannot correct how and what you feel, while the body can be doubted. The public or other people can correct the claims of your body. Last distinction between the soul and the body is, ang soul, wala siya'y nagkalain-lain nga parts, or it is not made up of parts. It views entirely of itself, with no hidden or separate compartments. It is both conscious and aware of itself at the same time. While the body is made up of physical, quantifiable, and divisible parts. Skeletal system, muscular system, so limbic system, central nervous system, dagang ion system, nagkalain-lain nga mga functions. So I hope you have learned something on Rene Descartes' ideas of the self as well as his notions in life. For more understanding the self video conversations, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more updates. That's all. Ang Pink Kanunay. Bye-bye!